So are you trying to determine on what to do when your dentist tells you you need more than one teeth cleaning? Well, my name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I'm here to explain to you on how to decide what to do when your dentist tells you you need more than one teeth cleaning. There are several different methods of cleaning your teeth. Some patients, they may need as far as just a regular cleaning. You might need a deep cleaning, or you might need what we call as a STM, which is soft tissue management. So these are all different forms of cleanings, and they all require different appointments. Some need one, some need two. So basically, it's up to the patient on if they are going to proceed forward with treatment and of what the dentist recommended. 9 times out of 10, most patients do need more than one teeth cleaning, and I highly recommend that you listen to your dentist. He does know what's best for you. He obviously went to school for it, so he knows a lot more about it. And basically what you want to do is just make a decision. If you're going to proceed forward with treatment, you would then go ahead and determine on your finances on how you are going to pay for it. If you're going to finance it through your dentist office, or if you're just going to pay outright for it. Those are always good options and things to think about when you are determining if proceeding forward treatment, when you need more than just one teeth cleaning. My name is Michelle. I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I just explained to you on what to do when your dentist recommends more than one teeth cleaning.